Hello everyone, my name is Sammy Sim. I have always had an interest in plants and growing things. My grandparents loved flowers and air plants, where I slowly fell in love with growing all kinds of plants. I have grown up with my backyard garden ever since I was little. From there, I naturally liked plants. During my early years in elementary school, I conducted a science project about food and keeping them fresh by putting the food in different types of containers in refrigerators over a period of time. A few years later, I studied about hydroponics and grew eggplants, tomatoes, peppers, and green onions. Then my interest turned to growing orchids. After growing orchids for over 4 years, my interest with plants truly grew with the support from my parents. AgDiscovery sounded like a camp I would really like to attend. With the help of my parents, my applications were filled out and mailed off. To my surprise, my mother informed me that I was accepted into AgDiscovery camp. AgDiscovery is a truly life-changing experience. In just 2 weeks with a fun-packed schedule, we toured a bank, collections of Mr. Cooley's wild animal exhibit, the Desert Museum, the zoo, the Tilapia Farm, the McAllis Border Inspection Station, and many laboratories and facilities. We had many guest speakers that spoke on many different areas of agriculture and food production. We learned lots about one another when we were all just strangers not too long ago. With every activity we did, I discovered more and more of the agriculture programs and branches that were hidden under the name of USDA. Just under the branch of plant protection and quarantine alone, there is the veterinary sciences, investigative services, and smuggling interdiction compliance branches. Through the AgDiscovery program, we learned about entomology, the study of insects, pathology, the study of diseases, and veterinary sciences. I learned about so many things I never even thought of that runs within the USDA. On top of learning things I didn't know before, I made close relationships with everyone. With group classes and activities along with bunking with one another, we learned more and more and unraveled ourselves to each other. One of the activities that really made us connect was the bug hunting with Dr. Steve. We revealed our true selves of either loving bugs and picking them up or screaming every time we made contact with one. As groups, we underwent many lectures such as the genetics of plants with Dr. Hogard, how we manage pests in the US, and our career opportunities in the future. We also toured collections such as Mr. Cooley's Museum, which taught us how important regulation is as protection. We also went to the Foundations of Agriculture at Condor Seed, which shows us how important to have the strong base leads to the success in everything else, including the safety needed when the food gets to our plate. I would really like to thank the University of Arizona and the United States Department of Agriculture for putting this extraordinary program together to help students grow. I would also like to thank all the scientists, businesses, and counselors who put their time in to make this camp even possible. I would also like to thank all of my friends who made this camp an experience I can never forget. All these experiences advanced my knowledge and allowed me to have a clear view of the success I want to achieve. Throughout the program, we learned the importance of teamwork and independence that would be needed for the next step in our lives. These last 10 days has inspired me to believe that anything can be completed when you set your mind to determination and persistence.